Ready to ditch the camera and unleash the power of AI video? Let's settle the ultimate showdown. Sora Ai vs Invideo. First up, Invideo. Just type in your idea. For example, write, a cat wearing sunglasses skateboarding in Venice. Next, Invideo presents you with a variety of templates that match your concept. Pick one that suits your vision. Now it's time to fine-tune. Invideo's editor lets you adjust clips, add text, music, and more, refining your AI-generated video. Now, let's switch gears to Sora AI. Currently in limited access, Sora generates incredibly realistic and detailed videos from simple text prompts. The key to Sora's magic is prompt engineering. The more detailed and specific your prompt, the better the results. As you can see, Sora's realism is currently unmatched, but Invideo offers broader accessibility and editing control. Ultimately, the best AI video generator depends on your needs. Invideo's ease of use shines, while Sora is the future of realistic AI video creation. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments.